What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I go by Shadow XO. This is my 2016 Camaro 2SS. As you guys can tell, it's bagged, sitting on the harness, and it has the L1 conversion bumper. And for those of you who are, coming back to the channel, I got a brand new modification for this thing that I really want to show you guys. Yeah, you guys. So I have a brand new modification. Not a lot of Camaros. I thought I was the only one, but according to Instagram, there's 2 other Camaros that had this modification before me. So shouts to them. I thought I was the first one, which I'm not. But it's still a really rare type of modification because only JDM cars have this, and it's kind of weird to have it on an American car. But the reason why I pulled the trigger on this is because cars like Formula One, race cars, GTR cars or GT4, whatever they're called, models like these, and the Mustangs and all other cars have this modification that I am talking about. And I don't know, I'm kind of eager and excited to show you guys what it is. I think it looks awesome. I am gonna warn you guys, one of my fins is I kind of gave it away, but one of the parts is kind of crooked. So without further ado,
20,000 on the island, 20,000 on private. She make it clap. I got the strap, 21 gats. Feel like I'm savage. 21 and none of them average. I'm gonna need a night me a. I don't give a your bros. I don't give your toes. Yo, manicure, pedicure toes. I'm coming on the block with the rocks. 20-inch Glocks in my socks. Keep going that crazy ass.
so as you guys saw, we did install the rain light on the Camaro. I know it's a world of mixed feelings because you typically don't see this on an American car or a sports car that's American. So I don't know, you guys, I really like it. I feel like a lot of you people are gonna enjoy it, and you guys are gonna get some ideas off of this. Hopefully this video goes around pretty well so that a lot of you guys could get this idea. And again, like I tell you, I thought I was the first one, which I'm not, but I am the first one in the Bay Area, hopefully. So hopefully nobody in the Bay Area has this in any Gen Camaro. Because I really haven't seen this on any Gen Camaro, but this is just a little outlook or a preview of it. We're gonna go ahead and hit the brakes right now and show you guys how it looks and what it does when we hit the brake. I think you guys saw it on the little montage, but just in case, here's another look. That being said, thank you so much for tuning in. The video is not exactly over. I do have some clips that I want to show you guys from this little cruise that we had from Pleasanton to, I believe it was Half Moon Bay. It was close to Half Moon Bay, and I took the Mustang, I took the Bullet. It was really fun. It was really nice. But yeah, you guys, so you guys have it. I'll give you guys another look at the car. So as you guys can see, she sits really nice when bagged, or aired out, I'm sorry. And you guys, look at this. Dude, this car is really clean. It's really nice. So sinister. Shout out to Anderson. Nice little 360 right here. Look at that. I just love that rain light. Let you guys see the inside. It's a little messy, but this is how she looks from the inside, y'all. It's a really nice car. Well, like I said, you guys, I do have those clips to share with you guys. So without further ado, go ahead and... Guys, this introduction's kind of late. We got my neighbor right here. We got all sorts of kinds of cars, beautiful cars out here, you guys. My hood scope, it took an L right now. It flew off on the freeway. I couldn't do much about it, but y'all, we're gonna make our way and let's go for a drive. I got here a little late. I know, I'm sorry for the late introduction, but here we are. Can't do anything about it now, y'all. This is really nice. These cars, y'all, are freaking sick. We got Mustang Caravan. I know that I'm not really the one to be riding with only Mustangs or anything like that, but Jesus Christ. That, and look at that GT500 right there. And we got a 350 in the back. That's crazy, y'all. around Mustangs that, like, in general, it just does not seem right in my Mustang. I don't know, it's like a weird feeling, but it's honestly really cool. I'm trying to bring new content to the channel, you guys, so don't kill me for those who like the Camaro. We're gonna be having both cars all the time, so just enjoy this, please. That's all I ask. I don't know what car that was, but it was loud. It was really loud. Woo! People, so I never actually explained what happened and what went on with the car. So I was on the freeway. I mean, I've been experiencing a lot of problems with the scoop of the Mustang, and today I wanted to take it to the car event. So I did, and I was on my way to the event itself, and I was just praying to God that it wouldn't fly off. And I think I jinxed it myself, because as soon as I prayed, it came right off. Nobody's business. Like, I mean, this thing shot for the moon, and it was really funny. Let's go ahead and see if it's still, where it landed. I think it landed on the side of the freeway. Hopefully it didn't hit anything else. Let's go and see if we can find it. I'm kind of eager, but it's just weird how it happened. Y'all, so like I said, y'all, we're making our way to the freeway right now, and I mean, this is potentially dangerous, but who knows, maybe we can still find the remaining piece or the pieces of the scoop. And I don't know, I'm just eager to see what it looks like. I mean, this thing flew off so high, and I mean, it's so fast. It was unbelievable. But let's pray for the best, y'all. Let's pray for the best. We got kites up in the sky. I don't know if you guys can see them, but kites, wow. You guys, this is so crazy. Hold on. Like, I kid you guys not, we're legit on the side of the freeway, and look how banged up this thing is. Dude, this is a scoop. Oh my God, I am speechless. I don't even know what to say. I mean, look at this thing. It's all banged up. This is sturdy. I mean, it took a beating. It probably went up 50 feet in the air, a little less than that, probably like 30 feet up in the air. But I mean, the speed that it was going, or falling, I'm sorry. I mean, sheesh. That is insane. That is insane, guys. Shit.